In recent years, the United States has witnessed the rise of a leading financial technology, fintech company known as SoFi, which is an abbreviation for social finance. The topic of whether or not SoFi is available in other countries is an important one for people who are looking for banking services outside of the United States. The response, much like many other aspects of finance, is somewhat complicated. Let us go deeper and investigate who is able to use the services offered by SoFi and who is not. A wide variety of financial products are available from SoFi, including the following. Student loan refinancing. This flagship service allows borrowers to consolidate and potentially lower their student loan interest rates. Personal loans. SoFi provides personal loans for various purposes, such as debt consolidation, home improvement, or major purchases. Mortgages. SoFi offers mortgage refinancing and home buying options, limited to certain U.S. states. Investing. Through SoFi Invest, users can trade stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. Career coaching. SoFi provides career development resources and guidance. Citizenship and residency requirements. Currently, SoFi restricts its services primarily to residents of the United States. To be eligible for most SoFi products, you need to be a U.S. citizen. This includes individuals born in the U.S. or those who have gone through the naturalization process. A permanent resident. This refers to individuals holding a green card. A non-permanent resident alien. This category has limitations and may not be eligible for all products. SoFi verifies your eligibility through government-issued IDs and other documents. This restriction stems from several factors, including regulatory compliance. Financial institutions operate under regulations set by the government. SoFi complies with U.S. financial regulations, making it easier to offer services within its jurisdiction. Expanding internationally would require navigating complex regulations in different countries. Credit reporting. SoFi relies on credit bureaus in the U.S. to assess a borrower's creditworthiness. Similar robust credit reporting systems may not be available in all countries. Product availability. SoFi's products are tailored to the U.S. financial landscape, such as student loan refinancing, which may not be directly applicable in other countries. Alternatives for non-U.S. residents. While SoFi might not be an option, several alternatives exist for non-U.S. residents seeking similar financial services. Local banks and financial institutions. Check with local banks and financial institutions in your country. They may offer loan options, investment platforms, and career development resources. International fintech companies. Research international fintech companies that cater to your specific needs. These companies may offer services similar to SoFi's products, tailored to your country's regulations. Peer-to-peer lending platforms. Consider peer-to-peer lending platforms that connect borrowers and lenders directly, bypassing traditional financial institutions. SoFi's future international expansion remains to be seen. The company might explore opportunities in countries with regulations similar to the U.S. and robust credit reporting systems. Additionally, SoFi could potentially adapt its existing products or create new ones suited for international markets. Even for U.S. citizens or residents, eligibility for SoFi's products can depend on factors beyond citizenship status. These include creditworthiness. SoFi assesses your credit score and financial history to determine eligibility and interest rates. Income. Having a steady income stream is crucial for qualifying for loans and some investment products. Employment status. SoFi might consider your employment status, especially for loan products. While SoFi currently caters primarily to U.S. residents, the company's future international expansion remains a possibility. For non-U.S. residents, exploring local financial institutions, international fintech companies, and peer-to-peer lending platforms can offer alternative solutions. Remember, even within the U.S., eligibility for SoFi's products depends on factors like creditworthiness and income. SoFi might be a valuable financial tool for U.S. citizens and residents who meet the eligibility criteria, but for those outside the U.S., alternative options are readily available.